Hey, what's up? My name is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to quit your job and create lifestyle freedom. How to quit your job and create lifestyle freedom. So, to begin with, don't quit your job. That may surprise you, but I recommend that you keep your job because you have an income stream already, and then what you want to do is take a portion of your income and leverage it into something else that's going to create more income for you, create another stream of income for you. Now, I wish I would have done this way back in the day. I had a teaching position, a teaching career, and I was laid off from my teaching position in 2010. I didn't know what I was going to do. It was the first time I was ever laid off, and there were no other teaching jobs to speak of. So at that time, it was a very scary time. I didn't know what I was going to do, and I ended up, long story short, coming online and learning how to create an income online. Now, many people come online and they don't get the results they want. They don't really create another income, and it becomes a nightmare for them. So what I recommend is, first of all, keep your job. Second of all, find a system that is going to do most of the heavy lifting for you. Is going to do most of the work, is going to provide you with training, is going to pay you enough to make a difference in your life. Okay, it's going to pay you enough to make a difference in your life. So me personally, I make a full-time income online, and I utilize systems. So I have an 80% done for you system, and I have a 90% done for you system. So the 80% done for you system focuses on, it does most everything for you, but there is a slight setup process. So you have to set up what's called a sales funnel. A sales funnel is just something that's going to go to work for you, whether you're sleeping, you're at the mall, you're at the beach, or wherever. It's going to go to work for you selling whatever product you're selling. It could be training, it could be marketing tools, it could be anything. Okay, so it's going to go to work for you while you're sleeping. It's going to do the telling, the selling, the sorting, everything for you. And that's something you can have running even while you're working. Now, the thing with the 80% is you're going to have to, there's a slight setup process, and then you're going to focus on basically two things. One is getting people to your offer, getting people to see what you have to offer, okay? And you do that through either free methods or paid methods. Paid is the fastest. This is why I say don't quit your day job. Utilize your day job, the income you have, to start creating another stream of income by being able to leverage your time, leverage your money, leverage your energy, right? Leverage your efforts by utilizing systems. So the 80% system, basically you set up a simple sales funnel. Doesn't take long. We have training and everything for you there. You get traffic, you get people, you get eyeballs to your offer, right? And then you need to learn how to connect with those people. In other words, follow up. So what you're doing when you're following up is you're sharing your story, sharing who you are. And again, we have training for all this stuff, providing quality training and things like that. Now, an even simpler method is to do a 90% system, okay? Now, a 90% done for you system is this. You do one thing, everything else is taken care of for you, okay? Now, depending on your budget, maybe the 80% would be better than the 90%. It just depends on where you are at, what your budget is and all that. But the 90% done for you system, what it does is it does everything for you except for getting eyeballs to your offer. So it does everything for you except for traffic. We call it traffic, advertising, getting people to your offer. So all you focus on is one thing. So you just run traffic, and then everything else is taken care of. You even have coaches that go and work with your people. So you have traffic coming in, you have eyeballs, you have people coming through to see your offer, and you even have coaches that get on the phone, that actually get on Skype calls, Zoom calls, video conferencing basically, and they work with your people, walking them through, educating them, finding what their needs are, and getting them plugged into what they need to do. This is all done for you. Next, the emails. We have emails that go out, and those are all taken care of for you. You don't have to do anything literally but drive traffic. Now, once you learn how to drive traffic, once you have consistent income coming in, then you could start putting yourself in front of the system and doing some of the work. But that's it, okay? So if you have a job, this is exactly what I would do. Keep your job, number one. Number two is find a system that is going to do most of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, find a system that is going to do most of the heavy lifting for you, marketing a product, whatever that product may be. So you're not going around chasing people and trying to get in front. No, you have something that's very simple, that's most of the heavy lifting. You don't have to do all the explaining. You don't have to do all the convincing. You don't have to do any of that stuff. It's all taken care of for you. Then you focus on one thing, one or two things, right? And you become great at those one or two things, and that's how you create another stream of income. And that's how I've been able to do it. I've learned to use systems that make things more simple for me. So literally, I can go off on vacation. For example, I'm going on a 7-day Caribbean cruise. My income streams are not going to stop because I'm gone. They're going to keep running because of the system. The system is going to continue to work. So if you have a job now, keep your job, get plugged into a system. Believe me on this, you can create a lifestyle business. You can create freedom from your 9 to 5, your 9 to 9, your 12 to 12, whatever it is. You can create freedom from it. But if you don't start doing something different, if all you do is show up to your job every day, nothing is ever going to change for you. You're not going to create another income. So I'm going to go ahead and put a couple links right below this video. One goes to the 80% done for you system. One goes to the 90% done for you system. 80%, depending on your budget, 80% is a little bit more affordable than the 90%, but they're both very, very good systems. They're both going to save you a ton of time, and they're both going to help you create another income stream. So if you want to, you could actually walk away from your job that you have in time. I'm not saying right away, but in time. Or you'll just have more income coming in and be able to do more things, right? Pay off that mortgage, pay off a car loan, take vacations, spend more time with your loved ones, things like that. So if you're in a job, once again, keep your job, find a system that is going to that's going to do most of the work for you, 80 to 90% system. Make sure that system is going to pay you pretty well. I would also recommend that it has what's called residual income, meaning that month after month after month, you're going to get paid regardless of the work you do. That's absolutely powerful as well. So anyway, I hope you got value from this. Again, I put the link right below. Just go right through it. You got 80% done for you, 90% done for you. Check them out. See what fits you best. Go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My number's right below in the description. My email's below. My blog, paulgfarmer.com. You can actually set up an appointment with me right over there. So with that, make it a great day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos all the time about ways to create more income, about how to really get your mind to be in a successful mindset, and just whatever I learn, I share here. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.